Do you stop them? شو كي ولات العبارة شو؟ Do you stop them? دابا راه سالات. شوف فينا حنا عارفين. وفين داهم داك الشيء سالت. If it wasn't of Ramadan, there would have been more casualties because it was the peak time of everybody is awake to have their last supper. That's why so many lives were saved. If it wasn't of that, would have been more casualties.
And you witnessed some devastating.
As soon as we came out, there was no police cordon, there was nothing. We went straight to the building, near by the side of the swimming, and we can see kids waving, people shouting, screaming, because there were lights still on.
Thank you, Ramadan. Thank you for Ramadan.
And it's not about Christian, Muslim. I'm Muslim. I don't look typically Muslim. I'm Muslim. But everyone's like this. It's a family. It's not about that. But the government is trying to segregate, you know, all the stories, all the newspapers, depending on what newspaper you read. It's not about that. These are people's lives. These are families. My children's teacher is missing with her family.
And they just pushed past and barred past the police, run to the tower block and started screaming at people and trying to help them. They ran into the building. If it wasn't for all these young Muslim boys round here helping us, coming from mosque, the people would have dead. Enough more people would have dead. Enough more people. They want to talk about them when they do wrong and all these kind of things. When they're doing bad, when they're doing good, they were the first people with bags of water giving to people, helping people, running and telling people.
From other parts of London, from all of London.
Elaborate Grove.
All of London.
All over.
All of London. Not just from our estate.
The whole of Latimer Road, down by Edward Woods, all over came out with water. We don't care what people are. We love them all the same. We all mix together. But thank you, Ramadan. Thank you for Ramadan.
Around they say in 1 o'clock, that time when I was wake up to have my break, and I was starting fasting 1:15, and I've seen the fire start already. So yes, we don't know how it's happened.
So you know people who live in there?
A couple of people, our families. My wife, she knows. My son, he knows friends at school as well in there. And we so far we do pray for them just to want to know what's the latest news. Are they in the hospital or inside it? So
you don't know if they're okay?
Definitely nothing is any news about them. So as well can see, in 8 hours building burning quick, as not enough watering from the helicopter or from the side. You cannot say could we survive. Hopefully everything will